start recording. So we got the all free and clear. You can get the other kind if you want. Discreet, Airwick. And you have 2 Febreze, lavender, Mediterranean lavender, and the air. And let's see what else we need to get. So, automatic pack discreet. Swiffer. Oh, I'm looking for the Swiffer now. This store is clean. Nice and clean. Hey,
you in a while.
I know. It's been a little while. Okay. Got 2 all. Discreet. 2 Febreze. The Airwick. And the Swiffer.
Does it have to be a certain type of Swiffer?
Yeah, it's got to be 12. 12 in there. It should be 12 count. Look on the. And
10
I got,
count. It's in here.
they say
The other
10.
lady had a green one.
Yeah, I might have to get the green one. You didn't see it. That's 10. Yeah, I'm gonna get the 12. Yeah, I got to get the 12 for that. This is Miss B, and I'm back with another video. We're talking about the Dollar General deal that I was supposed to go and do at Dollar General. So yes, I did go to Dollar General, and I got the deal, and it was $6.65. And then I had to pay $1.41 in taxes. Yes. So you remember what I got? The first one was I got 2 Febreze air. The lavender one, they were $6 altogether. You got a $3 coupon. Okay, then we have a Swiffer wet cloth. That was $4.50. You had I believe it was a $2 coupon. You know, I didn't throw that paper away. Okay, so, but up here it says it was like $1.28 taken off of it. Okay, so next we have a discreet, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I did. It was $5, and there was a $2 coupon for that. Okay, then we had always discreet. That was always discreet. And then we have an Airwick oil warmer, which was $1.65, I believe. And there was a $3. Wait a minute. It was $1.65. And I think it was $1.50 coupon. Yep. Store discount was 6 cents. And then there was $1.50 that I had a coupon for, okay? And then it was all free and clear. I got 2 of those. They were $8 altogether, but you buy 2, you get, buy 2. Well, you really buy 1, you get the other one free. So it's really $8, but you really pay $4. All right. So yeah, that made the total like what, 25, 15, something like that. Okay, it made it 25, 15. And then after the $5 coupon, and then all the other coupons, which was like 18 altogether, $18.50. And then subtract it from that 25. So you say $6.65 plus $1.41 taxes. $8.06 all together. That's all you pay. And then you'll be walking around like this. I'm rich. I'm rich. These are dollars, of course. Okay. Y'all have a good night. We're gonna do another one this week. And I already started on working on one. You see all my figurations? Yeah, nah, you can't read it. But yeah, I'm working on another one. Then I'm gonna look at another person's, and I may be able to tell you if I write it down who it is, okay? But yeah, she didn't tell the she didn't lie. She didn't test a lie, but she told the truth. And just as soon as I pull her name up, I'm gonna put it in the comments up here on this video and let you know who she is so you can go check her out. But yes, yeah, I like that. Because you get, how many things did we get? We got let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things for $6.65. And you know we saved $18.50. We are rich, okay? Y'all come back and see you, girl, okay? Look, I need to get up to 1,000 subscribers. I already got 900. And I've been having 1,000, but I don't know what happened. Something happened and they just disappeared on me, okay? So what I need for everybody to do is go tell somebody. Go help her out because she trying to get she trying to get all her people in. So y'all take it easy, be blessed, and know that God is with you all the time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.